Hello my friends, how are you? So I am going to show you something. Are you able to see this one? Yes. This is a vertical line, right? Agreed? Now, my question is how you will make it a smaller without touching it or cutting it? Yes, tell me. Without touching or cutting, how it is possible that it can be reduced to small? Yes. Could you guess? Yeah, it is possible by putting another vertical line which is bigger than that one. Yes. Another vertical line in front of that. Now you see. So this one, so the bigger line when it comes, then another one, the earlier one can be told as a smaller one. That's all. It is so simple. So my friend, you must be thinking what I am showing you. But why I am showing you? Because I wanted to convey something to you. My friend, a smaller line is nothing but every day you are facing some difficulties. Every day. It is almost a routine affairs now. Every day you are facing difficulties, adversaries are there. A lot of things are coming when you are not able to analyze what is to be done. But still you are moving, isn't it? Can you guess why you are moving? Because of your commitment. Yes, my friend, because of your commitment. And if you will really recognize your commitment in this home-based business or any internet marketing business, then that's all, my friend. That particular commitment you have to adhere and you will be through. So, you have to recognize what type of commitment and focus is required. So, the point of today is that commitment and focus. So, this is the sixth reason why people are not becoming wealthy. Because they don't have commitment, they don't have focus. So this is the last reason why people are not becoming wealthy. So now the bigger one, if the smaller one is the difficulties and bigger one is the focus and commitment, then you will see difficulties, etc. All those things you will see as a smaller one. It is possible to overcome it. It is possible, yes. And you know what is focus? Focus is nothing but follow one course. FOCUS. Follow one course until successful. Yes, that is focus. So focus is such a thing that once you will do, then you will recognize and you will always appreciate. I need not tell you at that time. So be committed with your whatever goals are there, whatever goals you have set, be committed with that and you will be through. So very simple thing, just I am repeating. First thing, you must have association. Second thing, you must decide. When you decide and you are focused with goals set and you are committed with that one, then you will be achieving the target. Yes. So every project should be like that. And project, if at all project is there that I should become wealthy, then the same thing is there. And of course, dreams must be there. Without dreams, it is not possible to move. So that's all, my friend. I just wanted to convey this thing because now this is the last video of six reasons why most don't become wealthy. Yes, this is the sixth reason. And all the 6 regions are very, very important. You must adhere with that. If you will recognize consciously and move, then nobody is going to stop you. All those things, just keep it apart. And one more thing about commitment I wanted to tell you. Nobody is seeing you. Nobody is watching you. You should watch yourself. When nobody is watching you, you should watch yourself, whether whatever work you are doing, it is your commitment. That's all, my friend. Take care. Bye bye. See you in next video.